Most valuable hour of time in your auto repair shop is the one that you are most likely to undercharge for. Now, what hour am I talking about? I'm talking about the hour of testing, the diagnostic time that the technician needs to properly repair the automobile. Now look, I'm not getting into the discussion of should we charge the client, should we not. My personal belief is if we want to value this industry, if we want to make this industry better, we do need to charge the client because it shows that this industry does have value. It does take a skilled professional and there's a cost associated with it instead of wrapping it up in the bill with everything else to where they can't see it. I think that's sleazy. I think it's wrong. I get that it's a great marketing technique, but many of these shop owners that are doing this, I don't know, man. It's just not how I like to operate. Here's the thing, is even if you don't charge for it, that's all well, great and good, but it still has a value associated with it. A misdiagnosis can cost a shop hours upon hours trying to dig back and find where the issue actually is. It can cost them thousands of dollars in parts if they're honest and ethical and not just saying, oh man, you got another problem too, right? If we genuinely dig into the issues that surround the diagnostic process, it's easy to see that this process is the most valuable part in any auto repair shop. Why do consumers come to an auto repair shop? Because their car's broken. What is their expectation? Their expectation is we're gonna fix the car. That's really the base expectation. And so many people brag about how they can fix a car that nobody else can fix. I hate to tell you, that is a base level expectation. That's not some God move. That's base level expectations from the client. And so if we don't place value in the testing process, if we don't place value in the technician who is able to diagnose that and provide the proper tooling and equipment, we're really missing out. And look, even if you're not charging the client for it, it is the most valuable hour in your entire process. So invest in that process. Invest in the testing and diagnostic process. Ensure that your guys are properly trained. Ensure that they have the proper equipment to do the job. Whether you charge for it or not does not matter. It really matters that you are properly diagnosing the car the very first time, you get the right parts to fix the car, and you don't waste hours upon hours and thousands of dollars of parts throwing things at the car that are never going to fix it. But that's just my opinion. Drop it down in the comments if you have a similar opinion.